2NURFM, a broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.
Every second Monday, this youngish gentleman joins us and he brings in some culinary delights. Some are good, some are better than others. And this time around, he's brought in a nice sauce to go with this lamb. Our chef, Gavin Forman. Good morning to you.
Morning, Mark. How are you?
Look, I'm ready to get down and eat this meat.
Are you going to say what you said it smelled like?
It smells like a sauce that you might. It's a yellowy, mustardy kind of sauce.
Yeah.
It kind of is something that you might find on one of those burgers from that place.
Yes, it's a tree mustard sauce. So it's got seeded mustard, hot English mustard, and Dijon.
Oh, that sounds pretty good.
A little thickened cream. And some tomato sauce to give it a little sweetness.
Oh, you shouldn't have told me there was tomato sauce.
It's just a little bit, just to sweeten it up a little bit.
Okay.
But I love it with meat, especially lamb.
So we put it on some lamb today, and this is something that'll go on most meats?
Yeah, it's very good,
Quite well.
especially with beef. Beef is brilliant because I do a nice seeded mustard roast beef that I love, and this one's kind of similar to it in flavour.
What I love about this is it's so easy to make. I mean, I'm pretty hopeless in the kitchen. Not exactly my thing that I'm good at, but this is really simple to make.
150 mils of cream, 50 mils of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons, 1 of Dijon, 1 of hot English mustard, and 1 of seeded mustard. You like that? Mm-hmm. That's very tasty. When was the last time you ate lamb's liver?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so you tricked me.
I didn't. It's lamb.
Yeah. Look, that was really nice.
You're not going any further. You really enjoyed it until I told you what it was.
Yeah, you know I'm like this. If I didn't know, if you just said that's normal lamb, I'd continue eating.
So it's just psychological with you.
Oh, very much so. No, but look,
how you sing anybody for your issues,
and not for the issues either. Look, the sauce is really, really nice. It just sort of complemented that meat really well.
It's really good with kidneys, and I couldn't find kidneys, so I had to go with liver.
Okay,
so you actually got lucky.
Well, look, this is really nice. Not going to lie, I will continue eating that when you've gone. And we have the recipe on our webpage today at 2NURFM.com on our morning show page as well. Gav, you've done okay this week.
All right.
Because what have we got next time? Next time is going to be something nice and...
Well, I was going to go for kidneys, so we might do a steak kidney pie or something.
No, well, that's not going to happen. How about a dessert?
Oh, I can tell you it's a dessert pie.
Our chef, Gavin Forman, you know him, you love him. There it is, some very, very nice mustard sauce on 2NURFM 103.7.